Let's start by looking at the email marketing dashboard. This funnel begins with a simple opt-in page. Here is the opt-in page where visitors enter their email. You can easily add an email field using the editor. After subscribing, users see a confirmation message. Now we create an email list to store subscribers. Automation starts when a new subscriber joins the list. This is where you write the first email in the sequence. You can schedule emails to be sent automatically over time. All emails are connected in one automation workflow. Tags help organize subscribers based on their actions. Segmentation allows you to target the right audience. Here you can track email opens and linked clicks. After emails, visitors are sent to a sales page. This is where payments and checkout are set up. Now you can see the full funnel from start to finish. You can test different email subjects with A/B testing. Optimizing the funnel improves overall results. Follow this checklist to avoid missing any step. This is what a completed email funnel looks like. Now it's your turn to build your own funnel. You can start for free and upgrade later if needed. Keep it simple and focus on one offer first. I'll see you in the next Systeme tutorial video.